Welcome aboard, cruisers, and thank you for joining another day of our popular cruise news updates. And for the last time this week, we proceed with 3 new major stories brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. Our first update sees the massive MSE Euribia basically stuck in Dubai, unable to escape the Arabian Gulf, while ongoing tensions in the Middle East and heavy traffic through the Strait of Hormuz. That means its big season opening cruise set to depart May 2nd from Kiel in Germany is officially cancelled. Now we're talking a dream 7-night trip through Northern Europe, all but gone. The passengers, they're getting refunds or rebooking options, which is good, but the real story is this. Our floating city, 184,000 tonnes, completely halted by global events. And right now, no one knows what sailings could be next. Our next story feels like the future just hit fast forward. On April the 9th, German shipbuilder Meyer Werft unveiled something wild at Sea Trade Cruise Global in Miami, a fully battery-electric cruise ship concept called Vision. Now we're talking about 902-foot-long ship carrying 1,856 passengers, with cruise lines having the opportunity to order a ship now and have one like this built by 2031. The craziest part of it all is that it could slash emissions by up to 95%. Built in Papenburg, the ship ditches fuel entirely, running on massive batteries. Routes like Barcelona to Civitavecchia could go fully electric. So who would have thought, yes, the cruise industry might never be the same. I want you to picture this one, cruisers. The Carnival Spirit sails out of Mobile in Alabama on April the 5th. Everything running smoothly, and then suddenly there's a mid-voyage shake-up. Carnival Cruise Line drops an update. It's maintenance time. The stop at Bimini on April the 8th is gone. Celebration Key gets pushed to that same day instead. But hey, NASA on the following day on April the 9th, however, stays locked in. There was no chaos on board, just rerouting the adventure. Guests even score $100 credit. It's not the plan they booked, but it's still a story they'll never forget. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.